Hello everyone and welcome to Syed Creative World. And we have today's topic on online CPC examination. So for more videos you can subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. So let's start for today's topic, that is CPC online exam. Let's start. Okay, so before going for the examination and booking for the examination, we have to know some facts. So the first thing we should know about the online exam is that we only have one attempt in online exam. Unlike the offline exam, that is the location based exam, we have two attempts in offline exam. But in online, we only have one attempt. So we have to crack that examination in one attempt. And in online exam you have the liberty to choose and to schedule any of the date. You can choose any of the date of the month for your examination, and this examination of 5 hours and 40 minutes is divided into two parts, and for each part is of 2 hours and 45 minutes and 75 questions each. So you have to decide when to give the first part and when to give the another. And you can also give both the parts for one day, within one day itself. Let's see. Yes, and the next thing is it is cost effective. It is cost effective than offline exam. The online exam fees is $299. And if you are in any other country other than US, then check your currency exchange rates and with currency conversion rate, because other than $299 you will be charged the currency conversion charges. Okay, so before going for the exam fees you need to become a member of AAPC. So for that you have to register as an individual, and that cost you around, no, specifically that is $175. So totaling of this two, it sum up to $474, excluding the currency conversion charges if you are in a different country other than USA. Okay, so let's go ahead. Yeah, so how to book? Now we'll book the examination. So first you have to register yourself to AAPC, fill out the form, fill out, you have to sign up as a member and book the CPC examination through online section and go to the cart and pay the amount. So let's see here. Yeah, this is the AAPC website here, and we have to go to certification, that is medical coding and popular, yeah, and popular certification CPC. Click to CPC certification, and then we go to CPC section and scroll down a little bit here. Okay, yes. Then you'll see here CPC exam is now available to take online because of the pandemic. Okay, so here there are both the things mentioned, online proctor and physical location proctored. So you have to read all these instructions. Here you can see the price is $299 and $399 for offline, and there is two attempts in offline and one attempt in online examination. Okay, so the last, yeah, okay, there are no show fee as well if you are not present, and there is online and in-person. In-person means offline. So if you are selecting online, then $299 for CPC exam, one attempt online exam. And if you go for in-person means location based exam, so it would cost $530. Okay, but we'll select online. click on yes. Select $299, then scroll down, add to cart. Before that, you can see here individual membership $175. So the total amount is $474. Add to cart and go ahead. Okay, and here you can see the items, that is CPC online exam, membership individual, that is costing around $474. Check out and fill out the payment details and payout. Yes, here if you are already signed up, so you have to log in, and if you are not, then you become a new customer. Begin. Check out below all the details. If you are a different country than US, so just select your country, then it will give the details accordingly. Save and continue, and you will get the option of credit card and payment mode. Okay, so yes, then we'll back. Then you will receive all the details on your email, like membership card, purchase item. Then go to my account and click on exam option on the left tab. Then you'll get schedule option and schedule the dates, whichever date you would like to attempt your exam. And you can attempt the part 1 on one day and part 2 on next day, any other day. But whenever you opt for the membership, it will be valid till 1 year. So you cannot, like, if you don't want to go for scheduling right now, but you have already paid the amount, so you can schedule it afterwards as well, within a week, after a week, so it will be added to your account, the CPC examination. So whenever you have you are confident and you can give the examination, so you just schedule that date as well. Okay, so let's go ahead, and as you schedule your examination, you will receive an email saying confirmation and detailed requirement list and standard rules and instructions. So you'll also get Examinity Blackboard link, where you have to fill the form again as you have filled in AAPC account. So you have to fill all the details again in this Examinity as well. Okay, so Examinity also ask you certain security questions to for security reasons. There will be 3 questions, so you just have to note down that 3 questions with you as well, because at that time of examination they'll ask you the same questions. Okay, and standard rules and in standard rules and instructions here. Also in the email, you'll get in the email standard rules and instructions. So let's see what would be the email, because I have completed my CPC, so I can show you what email you will be receiving from AAPC. Yeah, email from Examinity for confirmation. Yes, dear Syed, you have successfully scheduled your CPC certification part 1, and there is also part 2. So exam is your part 1 exam in your CPC certification. This is your appointment ID, course name CPC, exam name CPC part 1, appointment date. At this date, I have given the examination and the timing. So I'm from India, so I have selected this timing in the morning. Okay, so if you are anywhere, so there will be slots of timing as well according to the hours, like 2 hours and 45 minutes. So there will be slots of this timing, so you can select any slot. Let's go ahead, and you will also see the standard rules and instruction in your email. So these are standard rules and instruction. You can pause this video and see and read all the rules and regulations, because I haven't seen this rules and regulation on the website. So that's why I posted in my video, because I haven't seen any video that they have posted this type of standard rules and instructions. So you have to bring 2019 and 20 books, HICPICS and CPD ICD 10. You must complete a thorough book check. There must be no paper, pen, pencil with you. Okay, so let's see the requirement list here. After you completed your study and preparation of CPC examination, things you would be needing on the day of exam are external webcam, your system, laptop or desktop, microphone to communicate with the proctor, broadband internet connection. The internet connection should be stable, whiteboard if you need. Whiteboard is an optional, that's why I've gray out this whiteboard, and rest of the things are required, so that's why uh, they're in color. So bright light room, because they have to see your face, and empty and silent place, because the when the proctor is speaking with you there should be no noise, and proctor will be continuously watching you, so no talking, no breaks in 2.45 hours, like 2 hours and 45 minutes. There will be no break in examination. Okay, so make sure that you're free with all your work. Okay, and you will be required 3 books: CPT ICD 10, HICPICS with 2019 or 2020 version. If you have 2021 edition also, so that's good. National government ID, no, you must have this ID. You have to upload this ID image as well on the website. So the same ID you have to show in the camera webcam at the time, so they can read the name on the ID and the face. Okay, so that's why your room should be bright light, so they can see you. And a water bottle, like if you into an 45 minutes, 2 hour 45 minutes, if you require water, so you can have a water bottle also. It is mentioned in the standard rules, that's why I have written here. With no white paper, no pen pencil, no food items, no electronic items, not even your mobile or headband or any electronic items. No other person in the room. The room should be empty, and no talking. Like you're talking to somebody behind the window, so you should not talk like that. So waiting for the result after online exam, after when you completed the exam, the next day, the next day you will receive the result, and but you have to log into the AAPC account, then only you will see the result, because it won't uh, send out to the mail or message anything. You have to go to AAPC account the next day and check the result. You'll find it in the exam tab. And for more questions and information, you can go to AAPC website, also aapc.com. There's a section of facts that frequently asked questions. And if you have any other question that you don't understand on the website, so you can ask me directly in the comment box. Okay. All right, then that's it for the day. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead. Goodbye.